Hello and welcome. If you're new here or perhaps just stopping by, I'm Neri. I'm an artist, a maker, and a creator. I'm so glad you found your way to this quiet corner of the internet. For as long as I can remember, my hands have always sought to create. There's a unique joy in bringing something tangible into existence, whether it's through the delicate strokes of a watercolor brush, the intricate process of binding a book, or the quiet satisfaction of working with natural materials like leather. This channel is a space for exploration, for sharing the journey of making. Here you'll find a blend of things that inspire me and hopefully inspire you too. We'll dive into tutorials where I'll share techniques for bookbinding, watercolor, and perhaps even some simple illustration. I believe everyone has a creative spark, and sometimes all it takes is a little guidance to fan that flame. My previous network marketing videos are archived in one playlist. It remains accessible, but I won't be updating it moving forward. Beyond the how-tos, I want to share the creative process itself, the quiet moments of contemplation, the challenges, and the breakthroughs. You'll get a behind-the-scenes look at my working space, my materials, and how ideas evolve from a flicker of inspiration to a finished piece. More than anything, this channel is about quiet reflections on creativity, mindfulness, and finding beauty in the everyday. It's about slowing down, observing, and appreciating the journey of making. Many of you might know my work through Blue Traces PH, my small handcraft business where I craft artisan leather journals and handbound notebooks. That's a project very close to my heart, and it's where much of my passion for handmade goods truly comes to life. While this channel is my personal creative space, you'll naturally see glimpses of the techniques and philosophies that inform Blue Traces PH, as it's all part of my larger creative world. So, if you're someone who appreciates the beauty of handmade, the journey of creation, and the peace that comes from quiet reflection, I invite you to subscribe and join me. Let's explore this creative path together. Thank you for being here, and I look forward to sharing more with you soon. Bye!